y'all? It's your boy J Cruz, aka known as the AUDIOZONE. The difference with me when I the difference with me when I'm doing it, I do like I'm doing it for TV. Another day here at the shop, guys. Just gonna run you through, show y'all a little bit of the Infinity we're getting done. This is kind of what it look like. Y'all get to see the beautiful part, we get to see the ugly part that we work on it, but we're doing a fiberglass. So this is actually the bezel from factory from an Infinity. And we're actually, if you see around there, we're putting a bezel inside to make it a double din. You don't see that oftenly done, but you're gonna see it here at AUDIOZONE. We got Mr. Drew working on that bad boy base head. We got a couple other projects going on. We're still working on that one here. We got this one here. This is gonna be a cool one today. We got to install 10-inch woofers in these skulls. So they're gonna be working on that today as we're getting everything situated there. We got another surprise for y'all today. Y'all, so we got the shirts came in. I'm gonna demo that, but they're gonna walk y'all back in. We going. We got a client came in with a towel, got a radio done a while back. We're just gonna talk to him about what happened with his car. We just flow through the day, guys. We got the Lexus going out. We got this one coming in. We had to bring my kitty in today. We got to check up on this one. We got this young man. How long ago you came out here, sir?
Just under 2 years.
About 2 years ago, he came in and he's having a little issue. Well, here goes the good and the bad news. You ready?
Yeah.
The good news is the radio's working properly.
Good.
Radio's fine. The bad news is your factory amplifier is bad. There's an amplifier that's back there that is actually out in the car, and it doesn't allow you to have, the signal comes out of here, but doesn't come out of the amplifier. Two ways to take care of that. Either buy the factory amplifier, which we can find one online because the dealership could have charged us the arm and leg for it. We can find one online, yeah. Or we could actually just bypass the amplifier. That means we'll get the speaker, the signal from here directly and put them directly to the amplifier and have the speakers run everything directly. You got both options, but I'll continue with y'all in a minute. Y'all can chase me in a minute. All right, so we just got done talking with the client. We agree we're gonna do the amp bypass. It doesn't have a Bose, man. I know a lot of y'all see these. Here's a truck. It is an LT, but there's no Bose in nothing, so it's not gonna be really greatly affected by doing anything with the bypass at all. He's not losing no subwoofer because he doesn't have none. So we're getting that one rolling as we push through. We're doing a checkup on this one. This radio was installed. The radio is supposedly shutting off. We got to turn on to see if we have any issues. In the process, I sold it window tint. I sold it a backup camera. We got these skulls. Pretty cool little build here. These skulls you see here, these are actually subwoofer boxes. As you can see right here, I'm gonna build those in with the Nemesis and get that bad boy going and situated. If we just roll through the day, guys, it's going to what we're doing. In fact, I'm gonna give you all the progress of what we did over here on the dash kit, so you can see kind of how that's coming along. But look at the dash kit that you saw in fiberglassing earlier today. This is what it's coming like. So we actually did, guys. We got a bracket. We installed it here. Now we're fiberglassing it in here to make it solid. Then we do all the bondo and all the cleaning and then the painting and double din install, custom done. So just giving y'all an update. We got this radio.
I think I know what caused the
amp to short out. Got a blown speaker.
Oh, at least this one.
Not popping?
No.
Got it right there.
A second ago it was like all crackly.
It sounded like metal.
Yeah.
Just at the installer. It's the installer. It was this guy here.
Man, get that camera out of my face. Bro.
I got a question. What you gonna do about it, man?
I don't condone to that. So if you put it up on your YouTube channel, I'm suing you.
Good. So I don't care.
You still put.
It's not about the money, man. But you know what? I'm gonna say the only thing I can say right now is that he threatened me. Y'all heard that threat. It's not about what he said. It's about the fact that he would even open his mouth and say something like that to me when I've been so good to him. When I tell me that in his heart there's a lot of hatred towards me. Y'all been seeing a lot of this lately. But Chris, take that light work off. Chris, get him.
Hey. Come on, Chris. Come on, Chris.
Okay, now I can sue you because you hitting my son. Oh, now I can sue you because you hitting my son. But man, that's just a funny moment, man. That's what we're doing. This is what we're doing. I got camera to prove it. This is what we're gonna be doing the skull and stuff for, and get her situated. Y'all seen at the meets. Is actually a customer of ours, been coming here for a long time now. We're gonna be getting this bad boy situated and ready to go. We're gonna get this bad boy going now and just keep on rolling. Let's go check out my tinter so y'all can see what we do in my tint, babe. I don't know if y'all ever got to see what we do, but we do window tint, we do stereo, we do wheels and tires, we do custom fiberglass, we do pro audio, we do wraps. This is my tint, babe. So my tinter's getting this car ready here to go tint it. You can see kind of what he does. He actually gets the mock-up. He does what he has to do. He cuts it out by hand. After he cuts it out by hand, start getting the surface and prepped up to get it cleaned up and ready to go. The kind of what we do is you can see this car right now has no tint on it whatsoever. I'm gonna show you in a few minutes when this car is completed exactly what it can look like once my guy get all done. So kind of, you know what we do. You already know we at 1230 North Beltline Road here in Irving, Texas. You need window tint, anything you need, this is where we at. Okay, cool. Just to give you guys an update. Here we go, guys. What does it always say that you guys say? I always say?
All right, guys.
All right, guys. That's what they say I'm always saying. But Yeah, anyway, this is the subwoofer we already told you. So look, we got the Nemesis installed inside the unit. We've already got them in. Just to give you an update, you could do a 10 or 12. The reason I went with a 10 is because of the air spec. We're running about a cubic foot of air. So I got the subwoofer enclosure in done here, and we're also gonna have the room for this to be able to have its excursion of what it needs to do to move. So just so y'all can see what one's looking like, and we get it built up, and we're gonna start building the other one. So we're continuing the project. To show you what's, in fact, let me just go to the other side. I like to show you all the down and dirty. We've relocated the amplifier. We got all that going situated. This is what we have to deal with, guys. Can we get cars that come in? And this is what we have to deal with. So this is all the stuff they had in here. We're gonna take all this craziness out, install it correctly, get everything nice and clean, and get this bad boy situated where everything's nice and perfect. We are on it and rolling.
We just got something in, and the boss goes, "Whoa!" So let's go see what it is.
So we get to do, you recording? So I can edit all that. But guys, we got something that came in. I have an idea what it is, but I'm about to find out. When you see a box up like this with all this tape, they make sure that it came from a far land, far away. But we're gonna go ahead and open it up right now and see if it is what I think it is. And I'm hoping it is, because my life would be a lot happier. No, this is not. This is for Alexis I'm doing. And I'm hoping this is what I hope it is.
It is.
This came directly from LeBron James.
LeBron James?
Let's see if this is it, guys. If this is it, I'll be happy as heck. What you guys are seeing right now, it became very popular to get your screens and upgrade them to the Tesla screen. So we're actually doing an old school. We had this specially ordered, specially made for LS, an old LS Lexus. It took me a long time to get it pre-ordered and get it situated and made, but it's here, guys. So we have the Lexus now that's going to be having a Tesla screen. It's an old Lexus. Y'all going to see that build coming up, but look at the screen that can be going on her. She can be a Tesla screen. I cannot wait to do this. We're doing this with a 5-channel amp install, 3 sets of 3-way components. It could be an interesting build, but I'm glad this is here today, because now we'll call the customer, let them know it's here. All right, can we continue here with the day of the day? We got this car coming together just so y'all could see exactly what's going on here. Let this focus in. Y'all can see what's going on here, man. This is the boxes that are being put into the back of this bad boy right now. We got Josh with the amplifiers installed. There goes the 4-block, there goes the mono block. He's actually finishing up the cleaning up and getting it all pretty. We're gonna get this one tested too. We got another one here that we're flowing through right now. Which you're gonna check this one out. We got another one over here, guys, that we're doing the front speaker. Now we got AUDIOZONE. Look at those shirts, y'all. What does that say? Subscribe to that channel, man. Subscribe to that _AUDIOZONE. We got Gordo teaching my son, King Cruz, how to do speaker install, because they're working on it together to get it situated. We're gonna let them go in, and we just flowing, man. We got Mr. Manny here from Napa. He's the man. If y'all know who he is, you need parts, Napa up the street. But let's go see what bad boy bass brother has to say. Beep, beep. All right, y'all, so hold on, what we got going on here? All right, y'all, so this is what we got right now. Y'all saw us working and building on this. We got the Bondo in place now. So we're getting the Bondo, getting ready to get it going and get it situated so that we can go ahead and get the mold that we want and make it look perfect, and we get the paint work and the primer and stuff like that done. That was on its way out. We got this one already sounding good. We actually just upgraded him to be able to do some audio legions. We're gonna be doing some audio legions on that for the dash and the doors to get some pro audio in there and get everything situated.
Alright, y'all, so now we got the boss man and Drew gonna do a little race.
He took off early like a motherfucker.
I don't know, I got it on camera. That third chirp, my reaction time is
go.
killing niggas. My reaction time is killing niggas.
You feel like
1, 2, 3.
Oh, fuck. I pulled a cramp. Oh, fuck. I pulled a cramp. That's exactly. Oh.
AUDIOZONE is fast on his feet too. Yeah, I'm a little out of breath because I just got done running twice. All right, y'all, so we got this one ready to go. So the two faces looking at you. We got the amplifier mounted back there. You can see that they're all turned on. He's good to go here. The speaker we installed already done. Radio is complete. And the owner's right here, Mr. Jason. Mr. Jason, tell everybody in YouTube something.
What do you want me to tell?
I don't know. Say something. How you feel about your experience?
Man, I'm very happy with AUDIOZONE.
How many cars you brought here?
2.
How you feel both cars?
Every one of them's been perfect so far.
Man, we're grateful for that. Not so far. It got to continue. If it's not perfect, we're going to make sure that we ended up perfect. Because if it doesn't end up perfect, we'll talk to that guy over there and make sure that he gets it perfect. Mr. Jason, Thank you again for your.
Appreciate it, Jeff.
We family here, so we do all this kind of stuff. Puerto Rican, you know, Puerto Rican thing. Thank y'all for watching, man. Thank y'all for subscribing. We appreciate the support y'all giving us. Y'all have a good one, and God bless the next.